So today I'm going to show you how to do a really simple, kind of easy Valentine's Day look. I kind of wanted to make something that was a little bit easier for anybody to be able to do. It has very minimal amount of products. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to get this look. This is really easy to achieve. It's not that expensive. I just wanted to give you guys like a really easy tutorial on this, especially since Valentine's Day is coming up. So I just want to go ahead and just say sorry for the lighting if it changes in the video, because I was having to deal with cloudiness and then sun and it, you know, kind of going back and forth, so bear with me there. But if you guys really are interested in learning how to do this really simple look, I promise you it's not hard and it doesn't take forever to do in the first place. It's pretty quick. Then please keep watching. Okay, first off, we're going to go in with Safe Word from Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette, and we're also going to use the Too Faced Bon Bons palette in the shade Divinity. And for some reason, I did not get footage of me putting Safe Word in the crease, but basically we're just going to put that in the crease, and then you're going to take Divinity and put it all over your lid, and then we're going to go back in with Safe Word and we're going to blend that back in since we lost it a little bit, and I'm just focusing it mostly on the outer parts of my eye. And then we're going to go in with some liner. I'm using LA Colors liquid eyeliner, and I'm just drawing my wing really quickly. It doesn't have to be big. You can do it however you'd like. You don't have to do it the same way as I do. But I just did a wing to help tie in the top. And then I'm going to get some black eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that on top of my liner so everything is solid black, it's matte, and just in case if there's any bumps or anything, I can help smooth those out so the wing just looks nice and sharp. Now I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Watermelon Soda Liquid Lipstick. I really like this lipstick. It made me think of doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. So I'm just going to use this on my lips, but you are totally able to do whatever color you want. That's what I kind of like about this look, is it's supposed to be very simple. So after that, I took a synthetic pencil brush and I started to smudge it underneath my eye. So I did a few layers of this because I wanted it to be bright. Looking back, I might put a white base underneath to make it pop a little bit more, but honestly, just keep on layering it. And if you have Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I believe it is eye safe. At least that's what I remember, so that's why I put it underneath my eye. But I'm not very sure on other lipsticks. But this is how it started to look, and after that I decided to take some white eyeliner and put that in my waterline just to brighten up my eye, make them look a little bit bigger and dolly. And then after that I just smudged a little bit more liquid lipstick underneath because it was not bright enough, and I just smudged it out with my fingers too, just so you know that's totally fine. You don't have to use a brush. And then I went in with my LA Colors eyeshadow in the shade Snow White, and I took some of NYX's glitter primer, and I placed this on the inside of my eye because I wanted it to have something tacky to stick to. And then I started putting it on my eye, but as I started placing it and really packing it on, it just was not getting bright enough for me as like I wanted. So I did go in with NYX pigment in the shade Vegas Baby, which I absolutely love, and you can honestly see the results right here. Like, it's so much more brighter and shimmerier. I just absolutely love it. It's such a cute shade to put on the inner corner. And then going in with some mascara, I'm just using the Tarteist mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes. Feel free to put some falsies on if you want, but I just didn't have any at the time, so I just put some few coats of mascara on. And this is the final look. So I pulled my hair up in a little scrunchie just because it's more comfortable for me, but I kind of like it. What I really like about this look is that it's meant to be kind of quick. It's not supposed to be something that's too difficult or time consuming to do. The only thing I find time consuming is doing the liner, just because wings, I'm working on it, so I have to really take my time doing it. So if you guys can relate to that, hit that like button down there so I know I'm not alone. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you guys really like this look. And if you did, leave a thumbs up down below, or comment any ideas on what you would do with this look, or any kind of other looks you want me to do. Some more dramatic Valentine's Day looks, something really simple and cute, like what you guys are feeling. I'm open ears. And if you did enjoy this video, please check out my other ones, and if you end up liking them, don't forget to subscribe so then you don't miss out on any of my videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really appreciate it. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!